Hi, this is Dr. Lennon. In this video, we're going to look at how to display the equation for your regression trend line. So you might have just saw I opened the data from the Butler web file. So this is on page 128 of the book, and it's got a bunch of assignments, and then we see our real value, our time, and our miles. So if we're viewing our miles as our x variable and our time as our y variable, we want to first make a scatter plot and then add a trend line. So to do that, just select the data and then insert. We're going to choose scatter plot this time, and we have our scatter plot. I just want to move this so we can still view the data. And then to add the trend line, as in the previous example, we do the same thing. And again, we have options to change up the chart layouts if you want to label any of the columns differently or title your graph, which you probably should do for assignments so that when you take a screenshot, I know exactly what it is. So maybe we should just go ahead and do that. This chart layout has some options. So, we could change the title to Butler Driving. And then the axis title, we want to make, remember that is our miles traveled. And we could even indicate that that's our x value. And then the y value is the time. Time in hours. And we can even put y in parentheses there if we want. Then to add the trend line, remember to select the data points, right-click Add Trend Line, and we'll do linear again here, but notice there's two other options at the bottom. We can display the equation on the chart, and we can also display the r² value, which is the coefficient of determination. So let's include both of those and see what we get. Okay, we have both of these values, and we can also move them so they're not quite on the graph. And remember, when when the book talks about naming these parameters for these multiple regression equations, the B0 or beta 0 value would be this 1.2739, and then the B1 or beta 1 would be 0.0678. So that's how you display the regression equation and the r² value.